Hi, boys and girls. It's math time. Time to do some facts, okay? Remember the new skill we learned this week was the difference of two. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do like we did before. We're going to go through and we're going to highlight all of those difference of two problems before I start my timer, okay? Today we're working on 127B. Go ahead and get on your page. This is 127B. And I want you to put your name up at the top. Then we're going to go through and we're going to identify those difference of two problems. Okay, are you ready? The first one is 4 minus 2. That is a difference of 2, isn't it? Circle it. 8 minus 7. That's a difference of 1. We got that one. 6 minus 0. Is that a difference of 2? Nope. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is, go ahead and circle it. 7 minus 5 is a difference of 2. 4 minus 3. That's a difference of 1. 7 minus 6. No, that's not 1. That's a difference of 1. What about 6 minus 4? That's a difference of 2. Go ahead and circle that one. 9 minus 8. Nope, that's a difference of 1. 5 minus 3 is a difference of 2. 2 numbers away. 8 minus 1. Nope, but that's an easy one. We got that one. 8 minus 6. That is a difference of 2. Circle it. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. We got that one. 5 minus 4. That's a difference of 1, like last week. Good job. 7 minus 2. Nope. We got that one though. 10 minus 8. We have 10 and 8. Difference of 2. Circle it. Okay, one more row. 10 minus 7. Is that a difference of 2? Nope. What about 3 minus 2? No. What about 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 is a difference of 2. 2 numbers apart on the number line. 5 minus 1. Nope. And 6 minus 5. Nope. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready? Okay, Miss Willie is going to set her timer. Remember, your job, if you were to finish within 2 minutes, is I want you to go through and double check and make sure you didn't make any simple errors. Are you ready? I'm going to set the timer. Ready, set, go. Okay, halfway through. And time is up. Stop and freeze, boys and girls. Stop and freeze. Okay, I want you to put your hand on your head if you got all of them done in 2 minutes. Awesome. If you did, I'm so proud of you. If you didn't, remember, this is a goal, right? As long as we're getting closer and closer every time and you're getting more done in the 2 minutes, that's the best part, okay? So let's not panic. We're just going to keep working harder and harder every time. Let's go ahead and let's go over the answers. Now, remember, you get to be teacher now. If you get it correct, you're going to give yourself a dot. If you didn't get it correct, cross it out and write the correct answer. And if you missed one, fill in the answer. Are you ready? Answer it out loud with me so I can hear you. Okay, ready? 4 minus 2. We circled that saying that that was a difference of 2 problems. So we know the answer is 2. 8 minus 7. That is a difference of 1 problem. So we know they're right next to each other in the number line. They're 1 apart, so the answer is 1. 6 minus 0. If you have 6 and you take 0 away, the answer is 6. 7 minus 5. We circled it. That's a difference of 2. So the answer is 2. 4 minus 3. That's a difference of 1. They're right next to each other on the number line. They're 1 apart. Okay, next row. 7 minus 6. Difference of 1. They're right next to each other on the number line. Good. 6 minus 4. We circled it. It's a difference of 2, isn't it? So go ahead and 6 minus 4 equals 2. 9 minus 8, difference of 1, right next to each other on the number line. There's a difference of 1. 5 minus 3, answer is 2, the difference of 2. Good job, guys. And next one, 8 minus 1. What's 1 less than 8? 7. Good job. 2 more rows. Do you notice a lot of the answers are 1s and 2s, boys and girls? Interesting. Let's do the next one. 8 minus 6. 2 apart, difference of 2. Excellent. 10 minus 2. 10, take 2 away from it. The answer is 8. 5 minus 4. Right next to each other on the number line, difference of 1. 7 minus 2. If you have 7, you take 2 away. 5, you're right. Next one, 10 minus 8. Difference of 2. We circled it. Good job. 1 more row, guys. Last row. 10 minus 7. Count backwards 3. Good job. 3 minus 2. Next to each other on the number line. That's the difference of 1. Excellent. 9 minus 7. Circled it. It's a difference of 2, isn't it? 5 minus 1. 4. You're right. 1 more, boys and girls. Last one. 6 minus 5. Difference of 1. Good job. Boys and girls, I'm so proud of you. Go ahead and write the number total correct up at the top. Remember, we just want to keep building. If you got 15 last time, hopefully today you got 16 or 17. And we're just going to keep going. Those of you that are doing it in 2 minutes, challenge yourself. See if you can be done even faster. So proud of you. Keep up the good work. Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willie. I'm going to do a quick math lesson with you today. This is an activity that you're going to be doing on your guided practice worksheet with Miss Pingle. So I wanted to do a little mini lesson just to explain to you the steps on how to solve one of these problems. What you're going to be asked to do is you're going to be asked to do a subtraction problem for money, okay? So I have an example. 87 cents minus 24 cents. Well, we know that 87 cents is 8 dimes and 7 pennies, right? And we know that 24 cents is 2 dimes and 4 pennies. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract these numbers. But first, I want to draw a line that'll make it easier for you just to focus on the dimes and the pennies. If we do it that way, it makes it a little bit easier. So first, we're always going to start with the pennies, okay? So in this column, I have 7 minus 4 pennies. So if I have 7 pennies and I take 4 away, how many pennies am I going to have left? It's just the same as 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is, you're right, 3. So I'm going to put that on that side. 7 minus 4 is 3, okay? Then I'm going to look on the dime side. If I have 8 dimes, which is 80 cents, 8 dimes minus 2 dimes, which is 20 cents. But in my head, I can just say 8 dimes minus 2 dimes. 8 minus 2 is, you're right, it's 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So if I have 87 cents and I subtract 24 cents, my answer is 63 cents. Okay? Now, we did a lot of this when we were doing Miss Willie Market or Murphy Market or Miss Pingle's store. We were doing addition, but now we're going to focus on subtraction. Miss Willie has a sheet that I'm going to do. You don't have this with your work, but again, we're just practicing the skill, so when you do it with Miss Pingle, it'll be a little bit easier. We're going to do some practice sheets. So I have a practice sheet here. The first one says 73 minus 13. 73 cents minus 13. So remember, we're going to start on this side first with the pennies. If I have 3 pennies and I take 3 pennies away, how many pennies do I have? 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then I have 7 minus 1. 7 dimes minus 1 dime. 6, you're right. So how much is it? 60 cents. I'm going to do the next one, number 2. 65 cents minus 24 cents. So again, I'm going to start with the, you're right, I'm going to start on the penny side. 5 minus 4 is 5 pennies minus 4 pennies is 1 penny. And 6 minus 2, if I have 6 dimes and I take 2 dimes away, I'm going to have 4 dimes. So the answer is 41 cents. I'm going to look at the next problem. 49 cents minus 7 cents. Where do I start? I start on the pennies. You're right. So what is 9 minus 7? That's a difference of 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. And then I have 4 and nothing. If there's nothing there, that's the same as 0. What's 4? Take away nothing. 4. So what is my answer? 42 cents. We're going to do one more, boys and girls. The last one is 46 cents minus 31 cents. So again, we're going to start with the, oh, I didn't hear you, pennies. 6 pennies minus 1, 5. And 4 dimes minus 3 dimes, 1. So the answer is 15 cents. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that helps. We're going to be doing this on our guided practice. So you're going to be doing it with Miss Pingle in a little bit. Good luck. So proud of you.
Hey, all you cool cat and kittens. It's Miss Pingle for a wonderful Wednesday, our last day this week to practice math strategies. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. You know what to do. Write your name on your paper. First thing. Again, you can use crayon, marker, or pencil. It's completely up to you. I just want to make sure that you use your very best handwriting to write your first and your last name. Because if you don't use it, we lose it. We definitely don't want to lose all that hard work. Number 1, color all the congruent shapes yellow. Congruent shapes are the same shape and same size. Okay, let's see here. Well, it cannot be a square because that's not even the same shape. The rest are rectangles. The third shape is too small, and the other ones look pretty congruent to me. Now, this one, the first one, is still congruent. It's just a different angle. It's just tilted sideways. Now I'm thinking, no, the last shape is a little thicker, a little larger. Maybe it's just my old eyes, but I think it's congruent. Now, if it looks different at home or on your computer with your younger eyes, you may need to cross off that last one, but I think it is. So again, you can do Y for yellow and label it. to find the fastest, smartest strategy, just like a mathematician, or you can color and have fun. Completely up to you. Number 2. There are 6 boys and 8 girls in Mrs. Smolder's class. Color the graph to show the number of boys and girls in Miss Smolder's class. 6 boys, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I label with numbers. You may color, but just make sure that there's only 6 shaded. And there were 8 girls. Girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ooh, good thing I challenged you yesterday. How many more girls or extra than boys are there? Let's see. These are the 2 extra girls. There are 2 extra girls. But how many children are in the class all together? Ooh, breathe. You can do this. All right, here we go. 8 girls plus 6 boys. Oh, I know 8 plus 6. It was an oddball fact I've been practicing 2 weeks ago. 8 plus 6 is 14. There are 14 children all together. Nailed it! Let's continue on. Number 3. Show 9:30 on both clocks. 9:30. Oh, I know. That's just a big fancy math word for 9:30. 9 is the hour. 30 is the minutes. So I know that the hour is the shorthand because it comes first. We're always shorter first. The word hour is also shorter. Ooh. And then it goes straight down for the minute, cutting it in half. Now, I just did a brain fart. I need to erase. Here we go. I apologize. My hour hand was not in the middle of 9 and 10. All right, 9:30. Number 4, draw a 3-sided polygon in the box. Polygon? What's a polygon? A polygon is just a big fancy word for a shape. A shape with connected sides and connected vertices or corners. 3-sided. 1, 2, and then connect 3. Oh, I just made a triangle. Polygon is just a big fancy word for shape. Color the rectangular prism. Oh my goodness. Rectangular prism? Oh, Miss Pingle, you did not teach us this in rooms 3, 4, or 5 yet. I know, my friends. I'm very sad we did not get to this lesson, but I think we can strategize in our brains and figure out rectangular prism. I hear the word rectangle, so I know that it must be the first shape, a rectangular prism. It's a shape with 6 rectangle sides. And then it says put an X on the sphere. A sphere is like a round ball or shaped like the earth or the sun. A sphere. What's round? We're going to put an X on the third shape. That is a sphere. All right, and number 6, it looks like a challenge, but I love my challenges, so here we go. Find the differences. 82 minus 10. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I can do this. I can do this. Taking the groups of pennies. 2 minus 0. That's 2. Okay. Focus, focus. Groups of 10. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Ha! Ha! I did it! 72 cents. 82 minus 10 cents equals 72 cents. Nailed it! I want to keep going. Okay, here we go. 54 minus 4. All right, I know that I take the groups of pennies, and I do that first. 4 minus 4 minus doubles. That's 0. And then I can do the groups of dimes. 5 minus 0 is 5. 50. 54 cents minus 4 cents equals 50 cents. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. If you're a grown-up, maybe you got that, 50 Cent, the rapper. Okay, if you don't get it, Miss Pinkle's just old. All right. Anyway, let's continue. 37 minus 32. Okay, strategy. Do the pennies. 7 minus 2 equals 5. That's a minus 2. We learned that a long time ago. And 3 minus 3 for the dimes, or the groups of 10, minus doubles. That must mean it's 0. I guess it's 5 cents left. Only 5. 5 groups of pennies. All right, I'm going to try to challenge yourselves. 85 minus 11. I'm going to give you a few moments to decide. Try it on your own. Go. Focus on the pennies. And then focus on the dimes. If you said it was 74 cents, you got it. If you did not, it's okay. We'll be back next week for another practice of subtraction facts. So give yourselves another pat on the back. Give yourselves another pat on the back. Make the letter M and say, I'm loving it. I am loving the effort and you trying your best. That is all we care about. Congratulations, you have completed another week's worth of math, and we'll see you again on Friday to answer some really tricky questions about shapes.